Well, I decided that I'm gonna do a tier list. My original plan was a top 10, but I had to change that. Anyway, wait. I think I'm teleporting somewhere. Ah! Ugh. Whoa, I'm floating. Where am I? Welcome, young one, to the universe of gaming. Universe of gaming? How long have you been here? How long have I've been born since the 70s. The creation of gaming. You look pretty old for someone who was born in the 70s. Who said I was born in the 70s? You literally just said that. Never mind. How do I get out? Make a tier list, and I'll give you a reward along with getting out. Alrighty then, that sounds pretty good. What is my tier list on? What's your favorite game franchise, young one? I think my favorite game franchise of all time is Mario Kart. Not Mario Kart, but just Mario in general. It's how I got into gaming. And to this day, I still even have a little emblem on my character. You don't have it with you right now. Must have not teleported with me. Anyway, how do I make the tier list? I don't have a laptop or my tablet. I can't make the tier list, dude. Sure you can. Use the Switch 2 to make the tier list. Now I'm going to play Mario Kart World on it. Now. I've canceled pretty much everything except for tier list making mode for you. Gosh, dang it. Guess I'm making a tier list. Alright, so I guess I need to make the tiers. Don't ask why there is a digital keyboard on the Switch 2. Anyway, so I'm thinking, goat. Thinking goat tier. Goat tier. Great. Great tier. Get this advertisement off. Then after that, we got good tier, mid tier, and then an all uppercase bad. Oh no, all uppercase. And all uppercase, it's just gonna be bad. This is the worst tier by far. Then what is F? F is in. F is F is in A, which means I've never played it before. We'll start off with the original Mario Bros. It's solid and it kickstarted the series. I'll put it at, but in terms of modern day, it's just alright. I'll put it at mid tier. By the way, we're going in game release order, so it's not Yoshi's Island 2. It's actually Mario Brothers: The Lost Levels. It's mostly the same game, but actually slightly worse. I'll move up Mario and good tier because the kickstarted the franchise, but it's not the best. Lost Levels is mid, mostly because it has bad level design, but it's still pretty good. Mario Bros. 2 USA. This one's pretty good. I'll put it probably just above Mario Bros. Or just above the original Super Mario Bros. Mario 3. Great. It's a great game. I love it. After that, it's Mario Land. Mario Land, I think it goes in top mid. Actually, bottom good. Mario Land 2, on the other hand, that is top good. I like Mario Land 2. After that, I think is Mario World. Mario World, easily top great tier. I love Mario World, and yeah. I'm making it pretty hard to get to GOAT tier. Can't just be GOAT status. So, naturally, after Mario World, it's, I don't know. I think we're gonna go with Mario 64 next. Although, yeah, I see it. Yeah, Mario 64. It's pretty good. I'll put it in the same tier as the original Mario Bros. Because it kickstarted 3D Mario, and 3D Mario led to absolute masterpieces like Odyssey and Galaxy. We'll get to them later. It's been a while since I played Galaxy, so I might just put it in top great tier, and that's about it. Odyssey, I played that recently. I love it. Anyway, after Mario 64, Mario goes on a vacation in Sunshine. Never played it. After that, Mario becomes big. I've only ever played the original Super Mario Bros. On emulators. It has to be on official hardware, so I've never played it. And naturally after that, it's Mario Wii. The first time I ever played Mario Wii, it was at my friend's house. His older brother had a Wii emulator, and it was a pipe randomizer. So I found it very fun, but since it wasn't on official hardware and it was a randomizer, I can only put it at NA for now. What's next? Naturally, after Mario Bros. Wii, it's Mario Galaxy. Once again, absolute masterpiece. Top great tier. I can't put it in GOAT tier because it's been a while since I played it. Galaxy 2, I've heard, is very good. Never played it, though. Anyway, so Galaxy, absolute masterpiece. Galaxy 2, never played it, but probably really good as well. But of course, that's just my assumption. Next up, naturally after Mario Galaxy, it's New Super Mario Bros. U. I would not put this in bad. This is pretty good. I'll put it in second. No, that's Mario. What? No, that's Mario 2. Mario 2 goes above Mario Bros. Mario U goes in second. Goes in third. Good tier. After that, I think we go New Super Mario Bros. 2. The last time I played this, it was several years ago. It was several years ago, and I stunk at Mario. I was really good at the same time. All I remember about it is that you collected coins and stuff, and I can only put it at top mid tier for now. Until I play it again and I actually form an opinion about it that isn't just played 7 years ago, but I don't know what it's like anymore. It's going to have to stay at top mid tier. Anyway, next up is after Mario 2, it's Luigi U. Luigi is my GOAT. I'm gonna put it actually slightly above Mario Bros. U. Luigi U is fun, it's challenging, and overall it's really good. It's like a fun. It's fun and hard.
But I like it hard.
It's fun. It's fun and hard.
But I like it hard.
Hard. It's fun. It's fun and hard. 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 Of course. Okay, it's fun and hard. That sounded wrong, but anyway. So next up, we got after Luigi U. Naturally, we got New Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe. It's pretty much the same game. I'll keep it at the same tier, just slightly below, because they just repackaged an already existing game. Let's see. After that, let's see. I think after that, we'll save. We don't count Mario Advanced here, and we don't count Yoshi's Island here. Probably should have explained that first thing on the list. We will, however, count Mario 35. Just get that bad boy out of the way. The original Mario Maker and Mario Maker 3DS, and Mario U, and Mario Bros. And Mario Maker 2 as well. Anyway, so after that, we got what do we got? I think after Mario U Deluxe, we go Mario Wonder. Mario Wonder, great game. Oh god, this is so tough. We're gonna have to go put it at bottom great tier. Thought sound effects and stuff were cheap and mid, but other than that, pretty good. All Stars. All Stars is a compilation of the original games, but better. So we have to put it at top good tier. And after that, we got Bowser's Fury. This one is mid. It's the pinnacle of mid. Right there. 3D Land, I've never played. 3D World, it's good. It's really good. Yeah, I'll put it at second top great tier, actually. After that, we got Super Mario Bros. Special Edition. I don't like it. Never played it, and I don't like it. Mario DS. I never played it. 3D All Stars. I played it one time. It was just a compilation of all the original 3D games. You've heard it once, you've heard it a million times. It's mid. Mario Run, bad. Automatically bad. 3D All-Star, not 3D All-Stars. Mario Odyssey. The GOAT! It's the GOAT! The GOAT! GOAT! Right here. Alright? It's the GOAT, okay? Really good. I love Mario Odyssey to death. It's really good. After that, we got Mario Maker 3DS. This is the only time I played Mario, the original Mario Maker. And I was like 4. So I made some little Timmy levels. But it was fun. It was fun. I liked it. I'll put it at good tier. Mario Maker 2, put that at great tier. More content, and you can play as Luigi without installing mods. Let's go. Super Mario Bros. Deluxe, have to put that at an A tier. Yoshi's Island is a Yoshi game. Mario Advanced, we don't count Mario Advanced here. We don't count Mario Advanced in this family right here. Oh wait, that's Advanced 3. Hold on. We don't count Mario Advanced here. I will rank them separately in a different video. Video coming soon. By coming soon, I mean like tomorrow after the commentary video. of the day. Alrighty then, and this is my final list. So what do we got here? Mario Odyssey is the GOAT. Mario Galaxy comes at a very very close second. 3D World comes in third. Mario World comes in fourth. Wonder comes in fifth. Mario 3 comes in sixth. Maker 2 comes in seventh. All Stars comes in eighth. Mario Land 6 Golden Coins comes in ninth. 64 comes in 10th. Luigi U comes in 11th, and Mario U comes in 12th. Mario U Deluxe comes in 13th. Super Mario Bros. 2 comes in 14th, and the original Mario Bros. Comes in 15th. Super Mario Land comes in 16th. Mario Maker 3DS comes in 17th. The original Super Mario Bros. 2 comes in 18th. Bowser's Fury comes in 19th. Lost Levels comes in 20th, and 3D All Stars comes in 21st. Mario Run comes in 22nd, aka very last. In the games that I haven't played yet, we got Sunshine, the original Mario Bros. Mario Bros. Wii, if you count mods and non-original hardware, then yeah, I would say it's pretty good. If you do count mods and non-original hardware as immediately not playable, then unfortunately no, it has to stay here. Mario Galaxy 2, Mario 35, mostly because they closed their doors. Mario Maker, Mario 3D Land, Super Mario Bros. Special Edition, Super Mario 64 DS. How ironic, that's for 2 consoles, but it's only for 1 actually. And Mario Bros. Deluxe. For the games that go unranked, we got Yoshi's Island, Mario Advanced, and actually just all the Mario Advanced games. We don't count Mario Advanced here. And there you go, it's the final list. Alright, what are you, Wizard of Gaming? My name is Atari. Oh, like the game company? Yes, like the game company. Anyway, you've done the tier list. I'll let you go now. Ready, and go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, that was a long ride. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the list. Now, I don't have any commentaries of the day yet. Now it's time for Guess the Drawing. Ready and go. Now, welcome to Guess the Drawing, where I draw a drawing and you have to guess what character I'm trying to draw. So, this character was pretty popular during the 90s, but is fairly obscure now. This character also is planned to have a movie, but doesn't. This character, along with another very popular franchise that this company made, is often overshadowed by other games that not only I don't like, but a bunch of other people are not really very fond of. I think. I don't actually know the public's opinion about most of these games, but I don't like them. This character is taking me a very long time to draw for some reason. In my original video plan idea, I was going to put one of this character's games in a sister franchise. Not only is it a sister franchise, but also a sequel spin-off thing, or at least one of their games in a sequel spin-off thing. of theirs. Theirs. Of theirs. Character's still taking me a little bit to draw, so. So while I'm at it, I guess I might as well tell you that this character's main villain is a scientist. I can't tell you his name because that will give it away. Also, for anyone who guessed Mario last time, congratulations. Congratulations, you get something, I don't know what yet. But anyway, this character, I stink at drawing him apparently. But this character is, I think I've already said, pretty obscure. By the way, that's not supposed to be his arm cannon. That's supposed to be his helmet. He's holding his helmet. It's just really small for some reason. Actually, you know what? Better idea. He is charging up his arm cannon, and arm cannon should have given him away. If you guessed Mega Man Classic, you are correct. Ding-ding-ding-ding. My original idea was him putting on his helmet. Now it kind of looks like Mega Man Voltnut, but whatever. The answer was Mega Man Classic. So if you guessed Mega Man Classic in the comments, congratulations. And I probably should have told you no cheating. But if you did cheat, first of all, don't lie. That's a jerk move. And second of all, no cheating next time. Okay? Now, I don't have any commenters of the day. Now, no commenters of the day yet, but if I do, their names will be on screen. Usernames, not real life names, okay? But anyway, that's all for now. See ya. Like, subscribe. I actually got no subscribers. If you, it would be much appreciated if somebody subscribed. Anyway, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.